Hi Bean Beauties, another poolside unboxing today. Since y'all liked it so much, I'm doing another one. It's a Dooney Bourke. It's been a while, but y'all are gonna like this one. So come on back. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Okay, put the sunglasses up. Since y'all liked the last unboxing poolside, I'm doing another one poolside, and I'm also on a time limit because it's Saturday, June the 28th, and the hub says it's time for the pool, time to get my inflammation down, so I'm on a time limit. Alrighty, Bean Beauty, so today I'm opening a Dooney Bourke. I'm adding to my collection. It's been a while since I've added one, and I said that I wouldn't add another one to my Penrose Hobo collection unless it was a special color, and boy, is this a special color. It is. So today I am doing a collab unboxing, and it is actually with a makeup channel. Although my friend Sara from Sara B, it's revamp and something, I'll put it down the bottom. Her channel is a makeup channel. She does makeup, and I found her through Caleb Snell's membership, and I have curated so many great friendships through Caleb's website. Wow, y'all, they boxed this one fancy and excellent. Wow, I'm impressed. This is new. I haven't opened anything from Dooney Bourke in a while, and this is fancy. Have y'all done this? I've watched some unboxings, but I don't remember seeing this. So I found Sara through Caleb Snell's membership. I've been a part of his membership since he started it several years ago, and she's recently found his channel, and that's how I found her through that platform. So when you join memberships and things like that, you get to curate and meet new people that you normally wouldn't meet. So her and I really hit it off, and she says that I influenced her to buy a couple of bags, and they happen to be Dooney Bourke's. We are doing a Dooney Bourke collab today, so I will link her below. Here is what her channel looks like. Please head over there and send her some Bean Beauty love. She is trying to get to 500 subs. She's at 344 or something when I'm recording this. So please subscribe to her and send her some love. Whoops, I send her some love, and you'll get to experiment with some makeup if you're interested in makeup. And she just has lots of joy for her makeup and her channel. So she's having fun. She's new to YouTube, and you know how I love to support new content creators. So this really is very impressive with this new packaging. I'm in my bathing suit, y'all, and I have a cover up on, y'all. This is one of my favorite ones. The design, I love this design. This table is a wobbly table. I probably, if I'm going to keep doing this, I probably need to find a better table. So this box, this is how it looks. It has the handbag information there. Oh wow, look, very nice. Dooney Bourke has stepped up their packaging. Wow, okay, I'm on board. Little by little, Dooney Bourke, you might find me. This was a really good deal. I got it for $99, so that's the price point I like to get these bags for. Here's the dust bag, and that's what it looks like in there. Did you see the color? Wow, this is a great poolside color, isn't it? It's coming up a little bit darker on the screen. I'll see how it looks like in the in editing. I'll pop a picture up so y'all can see the picture. I'm gonna take this off because I love the shoulder strap. So this is the Penrose Hobo, and the Penrose leather, in case y'all are not familiar with, the Penrose leather is a little bit stiffer leather They now have the satchel. Dooney has the satchel in this leather. So this is really good for this style of bag. As far as for the satchel, if you want something to be instantly have that smile, you probably want to do the Florentine, or know that you're going to have to break that one in to get that satchel smile. So this one doesn't fit my shoulder off the back, although, oh my gosh, I've lost enough weight to where maybe I don't have to change it up. Look at that, y'all. Yay! I've lost more weight to where it fits comfortably. Wow. Okay, you can adjust it here. So it is on the second to the bottom, which I'll probably like it hang a little bit shorter, because when I get inflammation, I like to have a little bit of room. So I always just prepare for that. And it's really easy to change the buckle. So there, I gave myself a little bit of room. Now, if you're a bigger person like me, or a taller person, and you like this style, but you think that the strap won't work, I have a fix for y'all. I've shown y'all before, and I'll try to put a picture of the little gadget I use. You can take this off, and yes, this doesn't have a hook, but you can add a hook with a round circle on it, and then you hook it to this. It's what I always do. But I won't need to do that with this one. Look at that. That's comfortable. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. Yay. Isn't it a beautiful color? And look, against the green and against the sky. Oh, wow. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. The bottom. Here's the top. And then if you put this, you'll see the zipper there. Now, right here on the side, it has the branding right there. And over here as well, too. It has these little tiny little ties here. Then on the inside, I love the lining they use for the inside. Let's take all of this out. If you see stuff, yep, stuff went flying. The inside has the leather trimming around the pocket, and here is the Dooney patch there. The zippers are very, very smooth. And that's what it looks like. Of course, here's your registration. If you have a Dooney and you're new to Dooney, go ahead and do the registration. You can do it online. You don't have to mail it in, and it'll help if you ever have to get a repair. Do I do it? No. So don't do as I say. Don't do as I do. Do as I say. I used to at the beginning register them, but because I purchased a lot, I got tired. But I need to start doing it again. This is one of my favorite linings. In here, yay, it has the Dooney. Let me show you. The Dooney tag in here. Oh, there it comes out. Here it has the Dooney tag in here. And this particular bag, does it say where it's made? This one is made in Cambodia. So yay, Dooney is helping the economy in Cambodia. Also, a plus is that they, on the key keepers, they put the color of the leather to match the bag. I wish they would do that with all of them. And this is the gunmetal key leash. I wish they would match the hardware, but you know what? I'm sure they have to keep costs down, and that's the way they get to do that. And the zipper has the gold hardware. And of course, this has the, I think it's 18 karat gold plated jewelry grade hardware. Okay, Chanel doesn't have that. No, it doesn't. But this is one of my favorite bags. I mean, I love my satchels, but if I had to pick one silhouette that I could only keep, this is the silhouette, because I can wear it as a shoulder bag. I can wear it as an arm bag. And if I was desperate, you can take the strap off and I can turn it into a crossbody. They also offer, Dooney offers this particular silhouette in a crossbody, but I prefer to get this one, and if I so choose or need to make it a crossbody, I'll just add my own strap to it. Although with this one, I don't have a color strap for this one, but I have my other ones that I have straps that, you know, I would use if I needed a crossbody, or I could add a gold chain. I have lots of gold chains I can choose from. But really, I like to wear these as a shoulder bag on those days where I just, you know, want to feel pretty, and I just want to, you know, do something kind of feminine. And I know I'm gonna go, like, a lot of times these are my dinner bags out when I go out, and I know I'm just gonna be going to dinner, going home. Fits really great, see, on the table. It fits great on the arm of the chairs. Really easy, see, really easy to fit on the arm of the chair. And so I love these to go to lunch, for dinner, that kind of stuff. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, if you have not visited Sara B's channel, I'll link her channel below, and hopefully her video as well too, so you can go straight to that video and go experience her first handbag unboxing. Okay, y'all? She's a little nervous about it, so let's go over there and show her some love and give her some tidbits of information, and constructive criticism is welcome, but be nice to her, which I know y'all are. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Here it is, my new addition to my collection. I don't know how many bags that makes of this one, but this is my ride or die. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, love y'all. Bye-bye.